Hey there, YouTubers. I'm getting black particles coming out of my kitchen faucet for the last couple of weeks. I've been cleaning on and off, but it's not working, so I'm going to be replacing the Moen's cartridge today. Here are the tools that you're going to need today. Before you get started, make sure you turn off the hot and cold water under the sink. This you will need to pry out the rubber piece here. Just poke in there and then pry it out. I already took it out. Uh, After that, you're gonna need a Allen wrench, something like this. This came with the original faucet when I bought it. I replaced it about 7 years ago. I just bought the replacement part, and they included the replacement screw and the Allen wrench. So put it in there. Inside, you just turn counterclockwise, and I already loosened it, so it's just gonna come apart like this. After that, you're gonna loosen this, and this cover just pops out. The other tool you're gonna need is, I tried the crescent wrench to loosen this, and it didn't want to turn, and I didn't want to break the plastic. So what I did was, I went and got my long socket. This is actually for my spark plug. So this is the 7/8, and I use this to loosen it. I already loosened it. So pull this cap off, and then this will come out. I had already disassembled it. You're gonna get a little bit of water coming out. Okay. So over here, this is the replacement part that I bought for this particular faucet, and I'll include the this faucet model number on the screen. This is the Moen Duralast 1255 replacement cartridge. It comes with obviously the cartridge and the cover cap and the screw and the Allen wrench and some instructions, looks like. Okay, so this should be quite easy. So I'm gonna reverse the disassembly steps. There's notches here, as you can see, so you got to line up the notches. And so you can't really put it in a wrong position. After that, I am going to screw this cap on. Now, put this cover. Actually, I'm going to tighten this a little bit. Remember, this is plastic, so you don't want to go too tight. Just go until it feels a little bit snug. And put this cap back on. Then I'm just going to use the original screw that was in there. So there's also a notch on both sides there, so you got to get that lined up. And then tighten the screw back in. Okay, there. It's pretty tight. Okay. Now I'm gonna open up the water line here. Okay. Okay. next thing you want to do is you want to clean this outlet here. You can see all the black particles that had come out. And when you take it out, just push the inner piece and this will pop out. And I didn't capture the part where a lot of black particles were coming out. You can kind of see some of the residue here, but I washed it and oh, you can still see the particles coming out. So I happen to have one of these toothbrush. It's not a toothpick, it's actually a tiny toothbrush. It's kind of like a toothpick, but it's done in a brush form. And I use this to kind of pick through here. All the black particles actually had accumulated inside. And when I did this, oh my gosh, there was quite a bit that came out. And then I got all the side holes. And then I cleaned the outer holes here. So I think it's pretty clean. I've already done that. I forgot to catch it on a video. So I'm gonna do the final cleaning here. Oop, I just saw more black particles come out there. Oh, there's more. I think what happened was the rubbers around the cartridge, they were wearing out. Oh, here. There's a lot more coming out now. So there's still more in here. Okay, I think I got most of it out, so. Well, I see one little black particle there, so I may have to flush it out a little bit. Okay, I see another small piece there, but this is a lot, 99% better. Before there were a lot of black particles. Yep, now I don't see any. So we'll continue to monitor it. So anyway, that's how you replace the cartridge on these Moen faucets. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.